Chicas, ¿dónde llegaron?
Ahí está.
Que comience el viaje. Bueno, llegamos a Iceland. So first stop, Costco. We're gonna get some supplies. And
I'm full. I'm starving.
yes, ready for the trip.
Yes,
So
excited.
we brought
Another wine already.
no, we brought Margarita along this time. She's gonna see Iceland for her first time. So crossing fingers, we get some good clear skies at nights so we can see the aurora borealis. It's a little overcast, but it's sunny. At least it's not raining. So we'll show you more. First up, we just arrived to Gullfoss Waterfall. So we're gonna go check it out. Check out the Geyser. Well, I think we got one in slow motion, but it was definitely not.
Hard.
Yeah, because it wasn't the biggest one. So
Was like quite experience.
then the really big one came out, and we missed it because we were looking at a jacuzzi up further up. So, but it was good. I mean, it's nice. It is what it is. The first kotsuba of the trip. Cheers. Margarita's gonna try that kotsuba for the first time. The area where you can actually see the waterfall and Kirkjufell mountain over there is closed right now, so we can't see it. But Kirkjufell mountain is right there in the background. It's wild and extreme weather, and today is super windy in Snaefellsnes Peninsula, but we're having a blast. The girls are loving it. Yeah, let's go check out the waterfall a little closer. You can actually see that waterfall there, right there. just did a little shoot here in a very nice church. Can't recall the name of it right now. Very scenic. The mountains in the background of Snaefellsnes Peninsula. Today is a very moody day in Snaefellsnes because of how cloudy it is, but we got some good shots.